The historical century for Rahmanullah Gurbaz to be remembered for a long, long time. Wow, what an innings. Unforgettable.
What a beautiful sound of the bat. And it's out of the park.
Pitching up to get some swing. No swing there. A pick-up stroke from Gurbaz.
Full toss delivery and find the gap easily. Goes back in the crease. Rahmanullah Gurbaz coming down the track and over the top. 1-2 bounces. Last delivery of the over. 16 already. Full toss again. Dispatched that for 4. Wow. What a huge shot into the crowd. And dropped in the crowd.
He wants to play entertaining, enterprising brand of cricket. And he continues to dish out these glorious hits.
Use of the feet. And another one, same area.
Monstrous hit, dancing down the track. He knows there is no movement available for the fast bowler, and he sends him over the boundary. Tees up, down the ground, and some ball striking from Gurbaz. He's racing away. Slower delivery and slammed. Another 6 from the demolisher, destroyer. Gurbaz is loved by everyone. He's the heart.
Expensive Fazal Haq Farooqi pulled that with ease again. Eyes on the ball. Short of a length delivery. And the crowd on his back foot over cover. My Rahmanullah Gurbaz, third 6 of this over in 2 boundaries.
Knights 100 up in just 5 overs. Century on cards for Gurbaz, 76 of 21.
Slower one and picked that nicely. 6. Wow, Gulbadin Naib. Welcome to the 6. Full toss and another 6. Wow. This time a gift offer from Abdullah Ahmad Zai.
Just Rahmanullah Gurbaz, who is playing exceptionally well, walked across and played that one beautifully. That is his favorite shot.
And here it is, the historical century for Rahmanullah Gurbaz to be remembered for a long, long time. Wow, what an innings. Unforgettable.
Brutal, merciless, an innings of authority. 100 for Rahmanullah Gurbaz of only 36 deliveries. What an innings this has been by Rahmanullah Gurbaz so far. Appreciated by his teammates, opponents, and also the crowd. Thankful to the Almighty. A quick single to get there. Some innings. This has been some innings from the dangerous Rahmanullah Gurbaz.
Oh, once again, for another one. Pulwak Mobile 6 from the bat of Rahmanullah Gurbaz.